船长导游和游泳教练，我是白。Always like to take a shower here. In fact, we already started the shower since 7 a.m. this morning, so you don't want to have a skin like him. Remember, don't take a shower for so long, just like what he is doing right now. Look out, it's Father Elephant on the left-hand side. The Father Elephant is so naughty. He always likes to spray on boat. Okay, so we have to go past him while he's underwater. Okay, let's go past him right now, or else we might all get wet. Oh no, I think he's trying to spray us. Don't spray us, please don't spray us. Oh no. So Father Elephant is so naughty, so please don't get mad at him.
So naughty. Hi.
Here we are at the oldest temple in the world. This temple has thousands of years of history. You can see this temple has a lot of big spiders on the left-hand side. So the spiders are actually one of the biggest and the most poisonous spiders in the jungle. They can jump up to 3 meters away, it's okay, because we're only 1 meter away from them. So when they jump to the left and right hand side, just like that, so don't worry, they'll not come onto our boat. And the the elephant guard is free guarding King Cobra's boat. Can anyone see the third cobra? Where is it? It's actually on the left hand side right there. So this cobra also very dangerous and they'll find anything they can do, so be careful. If they come onto our boat, then we might be in trouble. And those crocodiles in front of us are actually Tarzan's crocodiles. And Tarzan, the crocodile usually during the daytime like is take a nap here and enjoy the sunlight here. So let's hope that they're not hungry right now, or else they might bring their own smartphones or snacks for them. And they usually like to come onto the boat from the rear of the boat. So if you're sitting in the back, be careful because there might be a crocodile following our boat. And on the left-hand side,
Hindi magpapalo. Hindi siya magpapalo sa atin kasi.
That's why he's also flipping here. Oh wow, there's so many gorillas. I think for the longest store this morning, that's why all the gorillas and there's campsite. So look out, the right hand side the gorilla even have gone. So luckily there's no one wearing a yellow shirt here, or else they would think that we are bananas and come on to our boat. And here we are at the African grassland. You can see there are a lot of different animals in front of us. We have zebras at the front, and giraffes at the back. But most importantly, this elephant on the right side right here. This elephant is actually the second most dangerous African elephant in the jungle. Do you guys know why it's only the second most dangerous elephant? That's because his mouth is on the right hand side. We have to be careful. The hippo weighs about 6,000 pounds. They can sink up very easily. But don't worry because you're not staying in the water. They're still like to come and say, just occasional. So don't worry. Be afraid to us, but you know that left hand side, the hippo's coming up. Now you can see Sperm is pretty bad because they never brush their teeth, so remember to brush your teeth or else you might smell like a hippo. And you guys are so brave because last week when explorers see the hippo, they're all jumping into the water, that's why they're all stuck here now. Surrounded by the animals, so there's nothing we can do about it, so let's wish them luck and say goodbye to them. Bye-bye! Bye-bye! You see it comes right here in front of us, we have to be careful because these are the signs of the headhunters. But don't worry because usually around this time the headhunters are not at their campsite, they're literally hunting in the jungle. So if we just sneak past them quietly, we should be alright because they never notice us and then we can return to the dog safely. Wait a minute, what's this sound in front of us? What's the sound in front of us? What's that sound? Oh no, that's a spider! It's an emotional sound around to be careful! Oh no, I'm going to do Okay, so everyone, let's shake our hands up. We did like the elephant get shot by poison dart. If you do, don't worry, you can just return to them or else they can't shoot the next boat. So you can see there are boats in front of us, so that's our dog. When we are ready, we can with the dog now. So it's my pleasure to be a skipper this week. I hope you enjoy this journey. I really do. When the boat has come to a complete stop, you can exit from the center and the bank in the gray area. And remember to bring all your personal belongings with you. And remember, oh no, what is that? Let's go to the other side. Be careful. Okay, look, there's still another path, but wait a minute, we should not be here, because this is where the fire god and the water god left. This is the canyons of the gods. Oh no, we should not end of this canyon. Looks like there's already nowhere to go in the front, and my God, has trapped us here. Oh, my God, it's so empty. That's why I'm going this canyon. My God, it's so close. What should we do now? How we gonna feel it? We should have the fire in the water.
Pinasukan lang tayo.
But don't worry now because we are returning to the doctor right in front of us and we are safe now. Before we return to the let's take a left hand side. There's a very familiar voice on the left hand side. It's Baby Elephant welcoming us back to the dog. Okay, so we have to return to the dog shortly, so let's say goodbye to Baby Elephant. Bye bye Baby Elephant, bye bye. So before we return, we may see the police. Hello, we may see the police, and please put your hands up to the legs.
Yan, tanong na yung
boat. Yes. Whenever it's ready, we can return to the dog shortly. So I hope you enjoyed this journey.
5 minutes
so we can see a lot of different animals in the jungle. So next time when we are visiting the jungle, remember, don't swim there or don't walk there because it will be very dangerous.